Hey, this is Tobin Greenswag. I'm in the simulation lab again, and I just wanted to show you the latest sort of parts that we have printed or developed or put together to make this shared ventilation system into less of a science lab project and more of something that's durable medical equipment that could actually be rolled out in the hospital and used in a mass casualty situation or COVID pandemic type response. I'll start just over here at the patient. So as you know, we've been using Sensirion flow sensors, and they've been a really great supporter of this project, helping contribute some of these sensors to help us do our development work. And we developed this 3D printed clip, and this clip allows us to do the electrical connections to that sensor. It has what's called pogo pins down in the bottom that connects to these pads right here. And we also put inside of it a small circuit board that then has a pressure sensor, which we were able to put in line with the flow transducer. And so it's real easy to, I'm doing this one-handed here, but it clips onto the sensor, and then it snaps into place, and then that'll stay there, and this wire will track down the ventilator tubing back towards the Raspberry Pi computer that runs this whole thing, and then will show up on a small computer screen. We've got just these 7-inch displays that we got on Amazon. They work great. There's actually a nicer version of it that's in the mail to me right now that just maybe be a little bit more sturdy for the hospital. And this case here is we're going to custom mill it out so that there's not quite a big of an opening, and it can be cleaned and everything a little bit easier. And it actually can mount right on the back of the screen to minimize those wires even further. So not a lot of clutter. I think part of the idea is maybe that this 2 of these screens would actually just be put on the platform of this servo vent in order to show, okay, here's the vent screen, and then here's patient A, and here's patient B. See, we have similar clip right down there, again with our pressure tap. Now, we use HMEs that have a lure lock tap, and so we're working on coming up with a nice, easy sort of pressure tap that can be used. Other centers may not have the lure tap on their HME, so you could use just an inline port to tap the pressure off of that. Okay, that's pretty much it for today. If you have any questions, a great resource to look at is our GitHub page, and I'll link that down below. On there you can find contact information, but you can also find the source code for the software. So if you wanted to download that, improve on it, or try to implement it at your own center, that everything's there. Also available are all the 3D prints for the splitters, valves, and various connectors, the circuit diagrams, shopping lists of what you would need to purchase in order to build out one of these, and lots of frequently asked questions and so on. So any questions, just reach out to us, and thank you very much for watching.